Implementing knowledge management was a key initiative that helped our client, the St George Customer Contact Centre, win a global award in customer service. The starting point for the St George Customer Contact Centre was actually a high-performing contact centre. This meant engaged consultants were taking calls over the phone, resolving a high number of calls at first contact and satisfying most customers. To achieve this, consultants were being supported with product specialists or floor walkers answering any questions they had. Staff were happy, but this was an expensive and resource-intensive and left little room for improvement in customer service. So what actually gave knowledge management traction? What created the impetus was involving just one team in a design process, how their work practices and how their roles changed if they could access all the knowledge they needed at their fingertips. The focus was not on the tool, though of course that was part of the implementation. And this was repeated with each of the contact centre teams, but customised to these teams. So what ended up being the change for the contact centre? There was actually a seismic shift in how the contact centre was run and how the consultants were supported with expert product knowledge. Staff went from asking questions to being confident to be able to access knowledge when and where they needed it. Product experts went from being floor walkers to being engaged more effectively in deciding content to be updated in the knowledge system and collaborating as a team to achieve this, and being involved in other performance improvements. And the big change was not the deployment of an expensive knowledge management piece of software. It was an organisation and culture shift and raving customers.